Hi, welcome back to my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. I hope everybody's all well and had a good new year. So it's 2024 now, so this is the first video on my channel in 2024. In the next video on my channel is going to be a smartwatch which I purchased from Temu. So it's a really good smartwatch. It's packed full with features and it's cheap, but I was amazed at how good the smartwatch is. So let's waste no more time. Let's get into the video. Hi, so this is the smartwatch, sports smartwatch in the box, and this is it that I bought from Temu. So this is it in the box. So as you can see, that's what it looks like, and the actual brand is called Zenbo. So that's it in the box. So it's just basic packaging there. So we're just going to get it open and have a look what's inside the box. Okay, so this is it outside of the box. So this is the quality of the watch. So as you can see, it's got a nice sport strap on there. So I have had this out before. So nice sport strap there. Just like a soft twisty strap. It's really good quality, saying it's from Temu. So that's one of the main faces. You've got your time, and then if you scroll across to the left, you've got all your steps and your sleep information there. Then you've got the phone bit there. You can enable the phone and take phone calls, and there's all your health. Touchscreen is not brilliant, but it's got all the information still on there. Then you've got the weather, and you can actually take pictures from the phone as well, the watch, sorry. And then you've got like a music player, and then you've got like the breathe section there, so you can just relax and breathe. So down here you've got all your information, battery and everything on there. Push that up, all your notifications are there as well, and then press the button again. So with this as well, if you press the button here, you can get to all your without touching the screen. So if you press that button, the weather, phone, player, and there's that breathe again. And then if you scroll to the left there, you've got all your apps and settings. So you just turn it around. Let me just get that back. Got your sleep, your settings, you've got game mode, shutter there, player. It does have an haptic feedback as well. So you've got all your settings there. So you click on that, got all your core settings and everything on there. And then if you scroll around, you've got the player, got game. So there's a couple of games on here as well. So it's quite a really good watch. Exercise. So you've got all your exercise options there as well. The touchscreen is quite responsive as well. So for a cheap smartwatch, it is quite responsive. Got all your heart rate measurements there, steps. So you just tap the middle, get to your steps. So yeah, so that's what this watch is. So it is from Temu. I think the build quality and the way it is, it does look quite rugged. It does look like a G-Shock watch, the way it's designed as well. So there's only two physical buttons. So there's that one to turn the screen on, and then you've got the bottom one that goes to all your activities here, like health, weather, camera and player. So just thought I'd just do a video on this, first video of 2024. So check it out. I will leave the link below regarding this smartwatch. It is, you know, a really good smartwatch. It tracks your sleep as well at night and it's very accurate. What you have to do as well, there's an app that you download to your phone as well. I will show you the app on the phone. This is the app that you have to download. It's called the DaFit. So you've got all the stuff on your phone there. So it's quite basic. So you've got like the steps, your sleep data, heart rate, I think that's blood pressure, oxygen, and then you've got this little section here. The app's really good as well, so you can have like better sleep, mindfulness, relax, and then you've got all your settings on here. So you've got all the different watch faces that you can pick. Apparently there's quite a lot of watch faces, and then you can do all your notification settings on the app as well. So the app you have to download is called the DaFit app, saying it is only a cheap smartwatch. I think it's about £20 for the actual smartwatch. So I don't know if it is waterproof. It doesn't say on there. I doubt it'd be waterproof. But for £20, it's a really, I think the build quality is really good. It is just plastic. Touchscreen's quite responsive as well on it. Obviously a better quality smartwatch would be better on the touchscreen. And then obviously you go around, you got all your little settings here. And like I said, when you're spinning the wheel, you do get some haptic feedback as well. So it spins quite fast, and so you've got all the settings on there. I will leave the link below regarding the Sendu smartwatch from Temu and the price. Thank you for watching. So if you could comment, like and subscribe on my channel, that would be much appreciated. BKM Tech Reviews. So I hope to see you soon again in another video on my channel. Take care.